favor, no fear. Stay ahead in news because you deserve nothing but the truth. Make your dailies informative in your choice of news here in Top Daily News. For the headlines. CDC director said Omicron could become the dominant US variant, but Delta is the biggest concern now. Philippines sees less than 1,000 COVID cases for 10 days straight. Unvaxxed workers barred from going to work in 2022. Losing slump in Vismin Cup wins over Ligan. Mezzo Hotel reopens cafe, launches gingerbread house Christmas village. Rainy days ahead in Central Visayas, other areas in Philippines due to trough of Niato, Pag-asa says. The new Omicron variant could eventually become the dominant strain, and scientists are still trying to understand how it behaves. But the biggest concern right now is the dominant Delta variant. Dr. Rowela, the U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention Director, said on Friday. Walensky said Omicron could become the dominant strain in the United States, but that is not clear yet. She said the country has stepped up its sequencing work to try and learn more about the new variant. There are 5 states reporting cases so far. One case in Minnesota was in a resident who had COVID-19 booster. Walensky said they are still trying to understand more about the case, and the more mutations you have with the variant, the more you want to boost your immunity. Walensky said if you previously had infection, you will be protected if you also get a vaccine. And the goal is to try to provide the most amount of protection as possible so people will be protected against severe disease and ideally against infection altogether. We encourage everyone to stay alert because of the new COVID-19 variant. Follow the COVID-19 protocols, always wear your mask and observe social distancing. You are not only protecting yourself but also others. For the 10th straight day, less than 1,000 new coronavirus disease cases were reported by the Department of Health on Friday, December 3, 2021. Based on the 4 p.m. case bulletin, the DOH said there are 544 new COVID-19 cases reported on Friday. Let us hear the details from CARAMIHAN.
The activity rate of the country was 1.8% out of the 32,908 tests conducted on December 1. The country's total COVID-19 caseload is rising to 2,833,878. The Health Department also lodged 235 new deaths among COVID patients, bringing the mortalities in the country to 48,987. The case fatality rate stood at 1.73%. The DOH also reported 734 COVID-19 patients who recovered, bringing the number of the total recoveries to 2,769,914. This means that 97.7% of the COVID patients in the country have been able to recover. Less the deaths and recoveries, the DOH said there remain to be 14,977 active COVID-19 cases in the country. The active cases are around 0.0% of the COVID-19 cases in the country. Of the active cases, 7,166 were mild cases. 3,801 were moderate cases. 2,433 were severe cases. 889 were critical cases and 688 were asymptomatic cases. This is Carl Joshua CARAMIHAN reporting here from Metro Manila. Back to you, Rowela.
Around 1,547 Cebu City Hall employees who have remained unvaccinated will not be allowed to report to work by January 2022 if they still have not gotten their COVID-19 jobs. Let's hear the details from LAURENCE.
Mayor Michael Rama on Friday, December 3, 2021, said he will look for these unvaccinated workers and ask them for the reason why they have remained unvaccinated. Rama also said the city will allow all establishments to open New Year, but unvaccinated individuals will be barred from entering their premises unless negative RT-PCR test result is presented. Rama highlighted that the most important thing is that this administration means businesses. They will open everything as long as everyone gets vaccinated and will take matters one at a time. The mayor further said he will issue a new executive order and announce it on December 29. He did not elaborate on the matter. Previously, Rama said City Hall will release 20,000 in bonuses for each of its regular and casual employees. The mayor also proposed to give a total of 6,000 in bonuses and a sack of rice for each of the city's job order employees. Whenever Rama said no bonuses will be released unless all City Hall employees get themselves vaccinated. This is Laurence ERGUERO reporting from Cebu City. Back to you, Rowela.
The Kapatagan wins over Iligan. The Buffaloes head coach Jaime Rivera advised the players that the game was far from over and to just focus on defense play after play. Let us hear the details from Jefferson ALLOSADA.
The game between Kapatagan Buffaloes and Iligan Archangels finished with a final score of 82-78 in Chuksugo Philippine Vismin Cup on Thursday night at Pagajan City. Former University star of Visayas Gayford Rodriguez scored the tie-breaking basket and then added a free throw to give Kapatagan an 81-78 lead with 10.7 seconds left in the ball game. Iligan's Eugene Torres attempted to get a three-pointer but it was blocked by Richard Wong. Gary Experto then made one of his two free throws to secure the win for the Buffaloes, which improved their win-loss record to 1-2. Kapatagan trailed by 12 before recovering late in the third quarter with an 13-over-4 run. Mark Daniel's buzzer beater that tied them with a score of 64-67 with 3 points remaining. This is Jefferson ALLOSADA reporting sports news update of Kapatagan Buffaloes and Iligan Archangels. Back to you, Rowela.
Mezzo Hotel welcomes the Yuletide season by officially reopening the doors of Cafe Mezzo, together with the lighting of a massive gingerbread house, gift-giving, and the heartwarming caroling presentation. Zion TADUYO is here to share his experience.
The joys of Christmas, guests are welcome to create warm memories with friends and families in a joyous feast, indulging in homegrown favorites. Primed to deliver a sophisticated yet economical dining experience, the hotel offers an array of mouth-watering full-course gourmet sets that include a soup, a salad, a main course, and a dessert for only 600 pesos net per person, perfect for celebratory lunches and dinners. To make occasions even merrier, the hotel also has an ongoing promotion of buy one, take one for the first 100 customers. With a heightened focus on new normal guidelines for celebrations, Mezzo brings guests the chance to take time out to reset with a safe and pleasurable fine dining. This is Zion TADUYO reporting from Mezzo Hotel. Back to you, Rowela.
Central Visayas and other areas in the country will experience cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms brought about by the Typhoon Yato, which the State Weather Bureau said is no longer expected to enter the Philippine area of responsibility. Let us hear the details from Roy Pacheco.
The Pag-asa said on Friday, December 3, 2021, that the typhoon is expected to decelerate on Saturday, December 4, due its circulation, likely turning south to southwest beginning late Saturday or early Sunday, December 5. Pag-asa Mactan Bureau Chief Alkiblat said the trough is an extension of Typhoon Yato, and he cautioned fishermen of a strong wind over the seas. He pointed out the strong winds are still expected within 3 to 4 days. However, they are not sure whether the winds would persist. So, the public are reminded to monitor the Pag-asa for updates like the issuance of gale warning. In a weather bulletin on Friday, Pag-asa said the northeast monsoon or Amihan is affecting Luzon and Visayas. Pag-asa's forecast stated that Eastern Visayas, Central Visayas, Negros Provinces, and southern portion of Palawan, including Kalayaan Islands, will have cloudy skies with scattered rain showers and thunderstorms due to trough of Typhoon Nyato. The rest of the Visayas, the rest of Palawan, and Occidental Mindoro will have partly cloudy to cloudy skies, with isolated light rain showers due to the northeast monsoon. Moderate to strong winds from the northeast to north will prevail over Visayas, Occidental Mindoro, and Palawan, including Kalayaan Islands with moderate to rough seas. This is Roy Pacheco reporting weather updates. Back to you, Rowela.
For the truth and updates from Top Daily News, we are hoping everyone is in good condition and we are hoping for your good health. This is Top Daily News.